guys, August 27, 2024. So here I got a call for no AC. I worked for this lady a couple of years ago. She's an older lady, probably in her early to mid-90s maybe, from the sound of her. She's got no AC. She called yesterday. I'm going over. She said she'd be home today after 1 o'clock or something. Call her. She's there. So we're going to go over there and see if we can find out what's going on with it. I told her to shut it off yesterday. Hopefully she'd listen to me and shut it off. An old R22 system, I'm pretty sure of it. So let's see what's going on with it. Probably a leaker. She's a leaker, Mama, she's a leaker. It's set for 72, so automatic. Alright. Hold.
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
Oh, I hate it.
Huh?
I hate it.
You don't like it?
No. Because it's so confusing because it has the...
Yeah, let me check it outside. Does the fan run inside?
You can go by the garage. That's the air conditioner.
It's a new unit. You had somebody put it in?
You think that's a good unit?
Huh?
So do you think that's a good unit? I think it looks cheap.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't sound like the compressor's running.
It's working.
Don't sound like the compressors have got no heat coming out of here. Don't sound like the compressor's running.
A lot of heat. And I would try to reach you. Of course, you were loaded because everybody else had problems. So my daughter decided that she would call someone. Well, heck, he comes and the way they look as if they were, you know, a little ignorant.
Did they change the inside unit? No? Or just this?
The whole thing.
The outside unit too? The inside unit?
It caught fire.
It caught fire?
Yeah, the house was brown. We didn't know about it till the next day.
Yeah, it looks like that capacitor might be a little...
So what happened? You know, you had to use special gas because it was old.
I don't know.
And they put the new one, and of course they burnt it out.
It's a micro channel. How old is this thing?
This is only 2 years old.
2 years old?
Yeah.
How come you didn't call him back that put it in?
Because I don't want to deal with them.
You don't want to deal with them?
You know, I feel as if I felt more confident when you people came, you know? And I thought, you know, I'm not going to horse around.
Well, I don't know if the thing's out of gas completely. I mean, I don't know what's happening with it. I don't know. I got to check it, but you might have to call him back if it's only 2 years old and, you know, the system's shit.
Oh.
I don't know. Let's look at it first, okay?
Okay.
One step at a time here.
Okay. But what
it's a brand new system. He put a new system upstairs too?
No.
Just this one?
Well, what other system?
There's an air handler upstairs. Did he change that too? Or just this?
Just this.
What about the upstairs unit?
I don't remember.
He didn't go upstairs and change anything up there?
No.
He had to have.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, he must have.
Yes, because he had to come back and bring a pot upstairs. Yes, you did. It was a colored fellow. But I mean to say, oh, I felt so bad because that unit looked so good and it was good for...
Yeah, they talked you into it.
I've been here 27 years, so I had it for 25 years.
Hate to see it go.
How old it was before that.
Hate to see it go, be honest with you.
I don't like to buy anything cheap. Doesn't pay.
Well, this is definitely a cheapie.
Oh, boy. I knew it. The minute I looked at it, I said, that looks cheap.
That's cheap.
That's not what I want.
Yeah, it's flipping. It's a cheapie.
I said, that's not what I want.
It's a cheapie.
Oh.
I don't know if there's any gas in it, to be honest with you. I think it might be out of gas. That ain't good. Coleman, this is like the...
My kids said, oh my.
Not good.
I says, hey, I'm still living because I've learned something at least, you know? They don't think they know what you know anything.
Oh yeah, this is a budget job.
Yeah, I figured.
Flipping budget. Budget from hell.
Oh, well, I'll be leaving soon, I'm sure, I hope.
Well, we got gas in it, so that's good.
It was 62 when they came back.
Alright, so let's see if it starts.
Of course, he doesn't want to own a house either, so
No.
if I leave, he leaves too.
Compressor's not starting. What is it? Yeah, compressor's starting. Plus the inside unit's not working.
You work for which you have to buy something decent. So there's no gas in there?
No, it's got gas.
So would you refill it?
Well, let's let it run for a bit and let's see what happens with it.
That thermostat, you can set it for.
Say that again?
Oftentimes, and it's so confusing, and so many people have checked it, and now it's kind of crazy. I don't feel as if I can do it anymore. I've got macular degeneration
Right.
at 92, so I have a hard time reading.
Yeah, I might have a bad TXV here because these numbers aren't looking the greatest. Did they change the unit in the attic, or you're not sure?
He put something more, I think.
He put something new in the attic. Yes, some superheat's really high here. See, I don't know what he's got up there. He might have a piston or anything. Let me try putting a little bit of gas in it and see what happens. Why don't you go inside?
Okay.
Try giving it a little bit of gas. I think it might have a bad TXV. Try giving it a little bit of how you doing, Mama. See if we can bring that superheat down. See at 42, kind of high. Try giving it a little bit, see what happens. She might have a piston up there, I don't even know. I'm gonna give it a little gas. Not a lot, it's a micro channel. It's not iced up because this would come back really cold if it was iced. I want to go crazy with it because it's a micro channel, you know, I'm going to give it a lot. Better. It's only 2 years old. I mean, should call back the guy who put this fucking mess in. Filter's not dirty because this thing will be coming back crazy. Give it a little bit more. Have a bad TXV up there. See, the temperature on our suction line's not coming back cold. See, our suction line and our temperature's about the same. This should be coming back cooler. You are getting some heat coming out of it now, before it wasn't. Got a bad TXV up there. That's what it is. What a shit show. Cheap ass flipping system. Junk. She's a junker, mama. She's a junker. Coleman. What a fucking junk. Cheap ass system. Got a bad metering device, is what it is. our suction line's not coming back cold. Overcharged with 20. You try giving a little bit more. I don't know what they got up there. They might have a piston up there as far as I know. Who the fuck knows? You don't want to give it too much. It's a micro channel. Don't take a lot. Definitely getting warmer coming out the top. Brought our superheat down a little bit. Get that superheat to 25. I mean, I'd be happy with that. This is starting to drop here now. See it? Better now. That's looking better there. Subcoolant's kind of high. It's a micro channel. Probably got a piston. Definitely getting more heat out the top here now. That's better. So you got 20, 23. This is starting to come back a little cooler. I'm gonna start sweating. System's only 2 years old. Oh, it's a micro channel, see it? Not good. Give it a little jism juice, mama. Cheap system. The guy didn't even take the flipping brackets off it. Didn't even take the mount brackets off it. Fucking crazy is that? We gotta give it a little juice, but we got our superheat down at 23. Our suction at 133. That's better. Superheat's a little, subcoolant's high, but probably got a piston upstairs. What a shit ass install. What a shit ass install. It's a Coleman. That's better now. Maybe a little bit more jism juice. Just probably shut my tank off and just dump what's in the hose in there. I'll do it. Whatever's in the hose is gonna go in. That's gonna be it for my final. Alright, so I got a superheat around 20. A suction at 135. That's good for 410. The subcoolant's high, but if it's a piston, you gotta go by superheat. And we're getting some decent heat out the top. Nothing but quality here. Junk system. Look at, she's leaning. I left the thing leaning like leaning tower pizza. There's a leaker.